Hi, first graders. So today for writing, you will be adding dialogue into your story. So your assignment for today is you are going to add dialogue in two places in your realistic fiction story. So if you don't have any dialogue in your story, you're going to add two in either in the beginning, middle, or end. Now, some of you might say, oh, I already have dialogue. And so you are going to see if you can add one more spot for dialogue. So if you have no dialogue, you're going to add dialogue in two places. If you do have dialogue, see if you can add one more into your writing. So I'm going to see if I have any dialogue. Let's see. Okay, nothing in my beginning. Oh, I see some dialogue. I think I'm going to make the dialogue a different color just so I can see. Oh, I have some dialogue here. That red. Oh, even this is dialogue. Let's see any in my ending. Yep, some dialogue right here. So it looks like that I have dialogue. Now that doesn't mean I'm done with writing, that's it. I want you to go back and see if you can add one more dialogue into your writing, if you already have it. So I noticed that I have some dialogue in my ending. I have dialogue in my beginning, but I don't have any, in my middle. I do have dialogue in my middle, but I notice I don't have any in my beginning. So I'm going to see if I can add dialogue in my beginning. I think I'm going to add it at the end. So let me reread. One day, Melissa was on her way to a sleepover at her friend Jen's house. It was her first sleepover, and she was a little nervous. She packed a toothbrush, pajamas, and a sleeping bag. She did her best to pack everything that she needed. I think I'm going to say, are we there yet? Melissa asked her mother. There we go. So there's my dialogue. Something simple. Are we there yet? Melissa asked her mother, since they were both driving in the car. So let me see if it makes sense. One day, Melissa was on her way to a sleepover at her friend Jen's house. It was her first sleepover, and she was a little nervous. She packed a toothbrush, pajamas, and a sleeping bag. She did her best to pack everything that she needed. Are we there yet? Melissa asked her mother. Perfect. And so now what you're going to do is you are going to go back to your writing and see if you can add dialogue to your story. A lot of you that I noticed in your pictures, you had speech bubbles. And remember that you can always bring your speech bubble down to the writing line. All right, first graders, I can't wait to read your dialogue. Have fun.